Hey everybody, Dr. Scott Schreiber with Minnesota Spine and Sport. Today we're going to be using rock balls while you're sitting at your desk to relieve some of the aches and pains you have. Now, before I begin, this is again a band-aid. We really need to get to the whole the cause of everything and what's actually happening. Again, in the previous video, we talked about micro breaks and we talked about posture and things like that. What these do is, again, these will allow you to put some pressure, on those spots and really work them out while you're sitting and while you're being productive. So a couple different areas you can work on. You can use the big one or the small one, depends on the size of the chair and your individual anatomy. I like the big one. So this goes back. I have it on my left side right now, and what I'm doing is you just find a spot and you leave it there. We can apply pressure just as is, or you can move around. And really kind of work that area out. Where it becomes really nice is when you get up to the in between the shoulder blades area. With this, you put it behind your back there. And you sit against the chair as I'm doing, and you bring your arm across your chest. So that you can see, I'm gonna show you from the side here. Here's the ball behind, lean in there, and then pin everything down, and then you're gonna rotate across. You can use these you can put these on the hamstrings, on your legs, or even in the glutes to work out some of those areas, and you can get those moving as well. The big thing here with these balls, like I said before, is this is almost like a band-aid. It's really not the cause. It's just to get you through the day and everything like that. The big thing though is getting out of that desk and moving. However, these work pretty good, and the fact that you're moving and not in that static position, that will help as well too. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We can show you some other ball exercises if you like. So talk to you soon. This is Dr. Scott Schreiber with Minnesota Spine and Sport.